Hi everyone, welcome back to Sage Gardens and Art Studio, where we explore all things gardening and green and living and art. Today we're diving into a fascinating history of vertical gardening. Believe it or not, growing plants vertically isn't a modern invention. It's been around for centuries. Let's take a journey through time to see how vertical gardening evolved into the eco-friendly art form we know today. It's something that I've been interested in and plan to do in our gardens out back. Let's start with one of the most iconic examples, the Hanging Gardens of Babylon, built around 600 before Christ. This ancient wonder was said to feature lush greenery cascading from terraced levels, irrigated by an ingenious water lifting system. While we can't confirm if the gardens truly existed, they've inspired generations to think vertically about plant growth. I've written a book on vertical gardening, and I cover this in more depth in that book. In ancient Rome, vertical gardening took on a more practical form. Wealthy citizens grew vines on trellises and pergolas for shade and beauty. Later, during the medieval period, monks in monasteries used walled gardens to grow medicinal herbs and food crops vertically. This way they could maximize their small enclosed spaces. Fast forward to the Victorian era in the 19th century, with advancements in glass and steel construction. Vertical gardening became a staple of ornate greenhouses. Climbing plants like roses and ivy adorned walls and trellises, showcasing nature's elegance in carefully curated spaces. Now let's leap into the 20th and 21st centuries. With growing urbanization, the need to greenify concrete jungles led to the rise of living walls. Patrick Blanc, a French botanist, pioneered the concept of modern vertical gardens in the 1980s, creating stunning plant-covered facades on buildings around the world. Today, vertical gardening isn't just for large installations, it's a solution for everyone, from small apartments to sprawling backyards. Stack containers, tower gardens, trellises, and modular systems make growing fresh produce, flowers, and herbs accessible to all. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. It really helps us out.